I got Susan, Kamaya, Kwaku. All right, Heidi said subtract 2. If I'm at 9, what do I have to do to get to 8? Everybody should be sending me a chat right now, please. Good. Gabe, good. Kwaku, good. Kevin, you're close. Just check your number. You're right with the subtraction. I do have to subtract. There you go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go. I have to take away 1 because I know that 3 times 9 equals 1, or equals 3 times 3 equals 9, and 9 minus 1 equals 8. Perfect. All right, let's do 1. We're gonna do 1. So first, look at number 1. Look at my page. Look at number 1. Which 3 equation is closest to number 1? Well, by looking at this, it's going to be this 3 times 1, okay? So I know I'm going to have to write 3 times 1. All right. 3 times 1 equals what? Show me with your fingers right now. What does 3 times 1 equal? What does 3 times 1 equal? Raylan, please put the phone away. What does 3 times 1 equal? What does 3 times 1 equal? Show me with your fingers. All right, I got Kamaya, Gabe, Kwaku, Mohammed. 3 times 1. What does 3 times 1 equal? Susan. 3 times 1 equals, perfect. Some of you guys are sending me a chat. Yes, it equals 3. All right, so I'm going to put down here it equals 3. What do I have to do to get from 3 to 1? Am I going to subtract? Am I going to add? If you have 3, what are you going to do to get to 1? Can you guys send me a chat? What are you going to do if you're at 3? You have $3. What are you going to do to get to $1? Awesome, Kwaku. Good, Gabe. Good, Susan. Send me a chat, please. What are you going to have to do to get from 3 to 1? Good, Kamaya. I should be getting way more chats. If I have 3, what do I need to do to get to 1? Waiting on Raylan, Jayla, Diana, Emily, Destiny. Let's see a chat. If you have 3, what do you need to do to get to 1? Good, Kevin. Yeah, we have to take away 2. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and just erase this. I do these little arrow things like this, and I put what that equals 3 times 1 because that helps me, okay? And then I know just to delete it after I'm done. Did you notice how I did that when we were figuring out 10 and 8? So look at that. We got that. I'm going to see if you guys could do this one. Now remember, we're going to use this 3 times 1. Go ahead and tell me, what am I going to be subtracting to get 2? If I know that 3 times 1 equals 3, what do I need to subtract to get to 2? If 3 times 1 equals 3, what am I going to subtract to get to 2? Awesome. All you guys knew it. You said, all right, minus 1. Notice, and then to get to 1, you subtract 2. All right, we're going to do this one. 4. Now remember, we're going the opposite way now. We're going above 3. So what am I going to put after? So 3 times 1 is 3. What am I going to do to get to 4? Send me a chat. What am I going to do to get to 4? Am I going to add, subtract? And then I want you to tell me how much am I going to add or how much am I going to subtract? So Diana, if I have 3 times 1, that equals 3. How many am I going to add or subtract to get to 4? If I'm already at 3, how much do I have to add or subtract to get to 4? Good, Kevin. Good, Kamaya. There you go, Diana. Good, Susan. Yeah. So I'm going to add 1. Perfect. All right, we're going to do one more, and then I'm going to give you guys some time to work on your sheet, okay? And then in a little bit, we're going to come back and do another.
This sheet?
You're just listen, Oscar. I'll explain it, okay? All right, so let's look at this one. 5. So I'm going to look and see what's closest, okay? 3 times 2 is closest. So same thing. 3 times 2, put it in parentheses. And then we know that 3 times 2 equals 6. So what am I going to do to go from 6 to 5? What am I going to do? What am I going to do to go from 6 to 5? Raylan, please put the phone away and pay attention. I've not received a chat from you once. Let's go. Put it away. I'm going to kick you out of the Zoom. What do I do to go from 6 to 5? What do I have to do? Good, Kwaku. Good, Kevin. Good, Kamaya. What do I have to do to go from? Good, I have to go back, Diana. So how many do I have to go back? To go from 6 to 5. Good, Diana. Good, Jayla. All right, so I have to take away 1. So 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1 gets me 5. Okay, so listen. I am just going to send back everybody's seesaw from yesterday. Listen, 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 please. I'm going to send back everybody's seesaw from yesterday. I want you
Does that mean?
listen. So when you go to, I'm doing it now. When you go to seesaw and you have to find the one that says Math Thursday. If you click on it, you'll be able, it's going to come back to you as a draft. Okay? What I want you to do, listen, you're going to go, again, this is yesterday's seesaw, okay? Yesterday's seesaw. What you're going to do, I want you to review it. I want you to check your answers, especially on the 3rd page, okay? Especially on the 3rd page. Because that's the page that we just went over together, okay? Also, if you look on our math page and you go to Thursdays, if you scroll down, I put all these information, all these extra pictures to help you, okay? But I'm going to be here today so I can also help you, okay? So what I mean by this is when you go to Seesaw, you need to find Thursday's math. Thursday's math. And I want you to just check your answers. Some of you didn't turn anything in. So you definitely need to be working on Thursday's math, okay? So go ahead and go do that now. Work on Thursday's math.